No.
What?
No.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Kick It With Russ episode today. I shouldn't say episode. Cut. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Kick It With Russ vlog. Alright, so today, look who's joining us today.
Hi.
You see the tactical gear. We're here. We're at Dogs of War, guys. Back for round number 2. It's not as busy today, I think. But waiting on the guys to arrive. You know, we got the stuff set it up. We're gonna set up our stuff going. And yeah, we got people over here. More people coming. But yeah, guys. So we're sitting, chilling the AC before we start setting up our tent and stuff. But stay tuned. More content to come. Like I said, if you guys like this airsoft thing, give this video a big thumbs up. If not, that's okay. Some people hate it, some people love it. It's whatever. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. You ready, Chloe?
Yep.
She's ready. She just got a new gun yesterday. She got this bulletproof vest. So bulletproof that you can squish this. There's no steel plate. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right. Got the boys over here. We ready? Running the first game. Oh, these guys went already to the first game.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Oh, Michael got knee pads today. That guy going down. Let's go, guys. All right, guys. We get the gang behind us. Look at this. Yes, sir. Got a Tabsy over here. Got everybody on this side. You guys ready? Yeah, first round, my gun broken already. I gotta go back in, repair them, but we're going, guys. Here we go. Oh, gosh, check this out, guys. How's this drum mag though? ARP9. Oh, look at this small field. The small one is good. Yes.
I think so. Yeah.
There's all ready. Hey, there we go.
Positive information or negative information, so we can bullshit you. Alright? So be warned, it's just going to be like regular team deathmatch, but you will hear voices that will be telling you, hey, watch out, he's around the corner. Hey, that guy's going to peek left. And they might not even be peeking left. Okay? So if you guys want to, look up at all the towers. This one is the firehouse, Grasslands Tower, we're going to play the whole field.
Oh, shit.
Right? Everywhere is semi-locked. On the whole game, semi-locked. Nobody full auto. I have all these marshals out here. If we hear somebody going full auto, we'll ask you to step off the field. Simple as that. But the game mode is called Snitch. DEM. Ask marshals for information if you want. The same rules apply for you guys, though. If you guys are going back to respawn, you guys aren't allowed to tell anybody where somebody is. Only us marshals can talk and say where people are. Alright? Does everybody understand? Okay. So, let me see groups. If you guys want to be on the same team with your friends or family, put your hands on the shortest person in your group.
We're the shortest person.
You're the shortest person. Right there. Yeah, where's Noah?
Push him down.
That's the biggest group I see right there. I want you guys to go to Bravo.
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. You guys ready?
No.
Are you on?
You're not even recording.
It's recording.
You're not recording.
It is.
The thing's dead.
Nah! Don't tell me that! Watch out, the left! You're flanking! Watch the left, see? Yep. Watch that one. They won't come this way. Watch the left, watch the right, watch the right. They get one right behind you. Hey, stop you, boy. Hey. Kill one. Fuck out. Cover. Left. Left side. Okay. What do you say? They're going to the left. Yeah, he's over there. Watch the right. Watch the right, Cole. Watch the right. Is there anything on this side? Is there a big wood over here? Okay, hide this side. And watch the right. Left! Watch this side, Vicky. Right! Tree, right! Watch that tree. This tree right there. This tree, right where the green. Yeah, right there. He's shooting that. Fucking good one.
No, I
No? No, no, no. Watch out, on your left. Is he out? No. You got one right in front, one in front. 50. Got him. Clear? Three? Is there one on the right? Who's shooting on the right? Oh, there's one right there. Yeah, right on this 50. He's jumping over. He's peeking. Right there. Yeah, I seen him jumping. Got one at Plexi! Got one at Plexi! There's one right there. Yeah. No, it's okay. Watch him. Watch him.
I was like, no!
I knew he was behind there. I was like, fuck it. That was the chance already. Fuck it. I'm gonna rush. I knew he was behind there and I was watching another one on this side. I was like, fuck, I'm gonna rush him first and catch the other one. Once he turned, that's it.
Yeah. Oh, that was good.
I got lit up when I went inside. This guy shot my legs. One shot my thigh. leave inside here.
Ooh, I shot that bitch in the face several times.
So stupid. Uncle Paul got the burgers this side. Come to these guys right now, fixing his TM. Shattered
Shattered dreams.
Shattered dreams.
Shattered dreams. You put the tape, yeah?
The kids went on. Played the other
Put
game.
the tape after.
Yes.
I see him!
Oh shit! Oh, damn. Oh shit! Oh, the kid sound bad, dude. Holy shit!
Pull the parachute!
All right, guys. So today, shout out to these guys right here, IMC, Team IMC.
Yes, sir.
You guys probably seen them on the Speed Soft tournament. What is your name?
I'm Monster.
Monster. Oh, this guy. Yeah, you guys like see my back. This fucker with Monster in my back. But this is Keon's. All right, guys. But yeah, these guys didn't show us the ropes today. They light us up. But hopefully, in a couple weeks, we can come back, play with these guys. They will show us more. And we get brought over there talking on his phone, making his next order for his gun. But yeah, guys. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. See you guys next time. Team IMC. Shout out to these brothers. Hello, guys. Shoots.